Fatigue seemed like my permanent companion after turning 50. Despite proper sleep and various supplements, that persistent exhaustion followed me everywhere. Medical tests showed nothing significant, yet my energy levels continued dropping. That's when a nutritionist suggested the simplest solution: eating one apple daily in a specific way. Skeptical but willing to try anything, I started this routine immediately. Within just 3 weeks, I noticed remarkable differences in my energy levels and overall well-being that surprised even my doctor. The science behind this transformation lies in the unique blend of compounds found in apples. Quercetin, a powerful flavonoid in apple skin, works directly on mitochondria, your cellular energy factories, enhancing their efficiency in producing energy as we age. Research published in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry demonstrated that regular apple consumption may help maintain cellular function in adults over 50. Additionally, studies from the Mayo Clinic suggest that certain compounds in apples support metabolic health, particularly beneficial for aging bodies. The method matters tremendously. Consuming a whole apple with skin, preferably in the morning 30 minutes before breakfast, allows maximum absorption of its beneficial compounds when your digestive system is most receptive. Choose medium-sized organic apples when possible to minimize pesticide exposure. Wash thoroughly even if organic. Consume slowly, chewing each bite completely to release maximum nutrients and support proper digestion. During the first week, changes were subtle, slightly improved digestion and marginally better sleep quality. By week 3, morning fatigue had noticeably decreased, and by the 1-month mark, my overall energy levels had improved dramatically throughout the day. The most unexpected benefit appeared around 6 weeks: cognitive clarity. The brain fog that had become my normal suddenly lifted. Research from the National Institute on Aging suggests that the antioxidants in apples may support cognitive function by protecting neural cells from oxidative stress, common in aging. Another surprise was improved digestion. The pectin fiber in apples acts as a prebiotic, feeding beneficial gut bacteria. Harvard Medical School research indicates a healthy gut microbiome directly influences energy levels and immune function, particularly important after 50. When I missed my daily apple during a business trip, the familiar afternoon energy crash returned within just 3 days. Resuming the habit quickly restored my improved energy levels, confirming the connection. Not all apples offer identical benefits. While red varieties like Fuji and Gala provide higher antioxidant levels, green apples like Granny Smith contain more pectin fiber for digestive health. Alternating between varieties provides balanced benefits. Proper storage maintains nutrient integrity. Refrigerate apples away from ethylene, producing fruits to extend freshness. Avoid cutting apples in advance, as air exposure reduces beneficial compounds. I incorporated this habit by setting a daily reminder and preparing my apple the night before. Some days, I enjoy it sliced with a small amount of almond butter to enhance absorption of fat-soluble nutrients. Tracking my progress through a simple energy journal revealed patterns I wouldn't have noticed otherwise: consistently higher energy on days following good apple consumption. Individual results vary based on existing health conditions and overall diet quality. Benefits typically build gradually with consistent consumption. Some people may experience slight digestive adjustment when first adding daily apple fiber. Start with half an apple if concerned about digestive sensitivity. Always consult healthcare providers before making dietary changes, especially with conditions like diabetes that affect fruit sugar metabolism. A study in the British Journal of Nutrition found that consistent apple consumption supported healthy inflammatory responses in adults over 50, potentially contributing to reduced fatigue and improved mobility. One simple addition to my daily routine transformed my energy levels in ways expensive supplements hadn't. The natural approach of consuming one apple daily provided cumulative benefits that significantly improved my quality of life after 50. If you're struggling with age-related fatigue or simply want to enhance your overall wellness, this simple habit might be worth trying. Start with whatever apple variety you enjoy most and maintain consistency for at least 1 month. Remember that consistency is key. Occasional consumption won't provide the same benefits as making this a daily practice. Try this simple approach for 30 days and notice how your body responds. Your path to better energy after 50 might be as simple as adding one apple to your daily routine.